It all started with this little fella.
Well, not exactly. A while ago, I was watching shorts when I came across a video of the single-cylinder Lego vacuum engine.
For those who don't know what a vacuum engine is, it's a simple engine with simple system of valves. The system goes like this. Valve is open when the cylinder wants to go up. So the vacuum cleaner is taking air from the cylinder and the pressure under the piston is pushing it upward. When the piston is in the top dead center, the valve is closing, letting the fresh air comes into the cylinder. The cylinder goes down and the cycle repeats itself. Very, very fast.
Taking into account the fact that I have some Lego in my house, I spent the next few days building and upgrading the engine up to the point when it was perfect. Until I realized that I do not have any more Lego for another cylinder. So I spent another week making 3D model of the Lego V8 engine, so I could buy parts and build it. It was then when I realized that how much Lego bricks actually cost, so I abandoned the project. Until a friend of mine happened to sell his 3D printer for almost half of the price. That was the moment when I knew what I must do.
Well, to be fair, I was expecting more from this engine. So I was thinking, what is wrong with it now? And I thought, well, the intake is so small that it holds whole power of the engine. Guess what I did next? Well, now comes time for testing. First, my first Lego engine. Second comes 3D printed i4.
Bardzo, kurde, dobra, nie ważne, naprawię go zaraz. Teraz ten. Wow. O kurwa! Wkładaj tam. To jest zajebiste! No, jest na maksa! Ej, bo to urwiesz! Ja pierdolę,
And that's how I built 3D printed vacuum powered i4 engine. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.